Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install LibreOffice 25 on Oracle Linux 10.0. By default we won't get the LibreOffice. Go to show applications. See here we don't have the LibreOffice. So download and install. Open the default web browser that comes with Oracle Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to LibreOffice official website, that is LibreOffice.org. See here the latest release at the time of installation is 25.2. Then click on download, then select the download LibreOffice. See here we have the LibreOffice 25.2. Then select the version from this list. Then select the RPM package for the Oracle or Red Hat or Fedora, Alma Linux or Oracle Linux. So select the Linux 64-bit RPM. Then click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is about 229 megabytes. Wait until download completes. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads directly, cd downloads ls. See here we have the zip file. We have to unzip. tar-xf. Give the lib. Give the tab to autofill. Enter the zip file name. Hit enter. Extraction completed ls. Now go to this extracted directory. ls. Go to this RPMs, cd, RPMs, ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages that needs to be executed to install. So run the command sudo rpm -ivh star.rpm. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is installing LibreOffice 25.2. See, installation is completed. Now go to show applications. See here we have the LibreOffice applications, like Calc means it is like MS Office Excel. Writer means it is like MS Office Writer. So open any one of them. Open Calc. See, its a look and feel is like MS Office Excel. If you want to verify the version, go to help, then about LibreOffice. See, we have installed LibreOffice 25.2. Close this one. Now go to here, cd again cd ls. So we have successfully installed. So remove this directory and this zip file. rm, give libre, give the tab underscore, hit enter, ls, remove this directory as well, rm-rf. Then give libre, give the tab, hit enter. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install LibreOffice 25.2 on Oracle Linux 10.0. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.